Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to slow down the aging process. If you want to look younger, live longer, and have fewer diseases, this video is for you. First, let's talk about aging. Aging is a natural process, but did you know there are ways to slow it down? It's all about taking care of something called mitochondria. Mitochondria are like tiny power plants in your cells. The healthier they are, the better you age. Think of mitochondria as the energy factories in your body. They produce energy that keeps you going. When they're in good shape, you feel more energetic and healthy. But as we age, our mitochondria can become less efficient. So, how do we keep them in top shape? Before I delve into this topic, let me explain a very important term called Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle, an assembly line in your cells that turns food into energy. For this cycle to work, it needs certain nutrients. Without these nutrients, the process gets stuck, and you don't get the energy you need. Here's where a vital molecule called NAD comes in. NAD helps turn the food you eat into energy. It's also crucial for preventing muscle loss and protecting your cells. But here's the catch: as we age, our NAD levels drop. Research shows that an enzyme called CD38 eats up NAD as we age. When CD38 levels are high, NAD levels are low, leading to faster aging. But there's good news. We can counteract this with certain compounds found in our diet. Let's talk about the 5 key compounds that can help keep your NAD levels high. The first one is epig gallate. What is epig gallate? Epig gallate is a powerful antioxidant found in many plants, especially in green tea. It helps protect your cells from damage and supports overall health. Now, what are the sources? You can find EGCG in parsley, thyme, oregano, basil, and celery. These herbs are not only flavorful but also packed with health benefits. Next question is how to use it? For that, add these herbs to your daily meals. Sprinkle them on salads, soups, and main dishes to enhance both taste and health. Second one is anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are natural pigments that give fruits and vegetables their blue, purple, and red colors. They have strong antioxidant properties and can help protect your cells. Blueberries, elderberries, concord grapes, and purple potatoes are rich in anthocyanins. These foods are not only vibrant but also highly nutritious. Incorporate these colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet. Enjoy them as snacks, add them to smoothies, or include them in your meals. Third is curcumin. Curcumin is the active compound found in turmeric, a bright yellow spice. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric is the best source of curcumin. It's commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. How to use it? Well, use turmeric in your cooking. Add it to curries, soups, rice dishes, and even smoothies. You can also make a turmeric tea for a healthy beverage. Fourth compound is quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It supports immune function and helps protect cells. Onions and apple skins are rich in quercetin. Most of the quercetin in onions is found in the outer layers, and the apple skin contains a significant amount. So, how to use it? When preparing onions, try to keep the outer layers intact. For apples, eat them with the skin on. Add onions to your salads, sandwiches, and cooked dishes, and enjoy apples as a healthy snack. The fifth compound is methylene blue. Methylene blue is a synthetic dye with various medical uses. It was the first synthetic drug ever created and has shown potential in inhibiting CD38, thus boosting NAD levels. Unlike the other compounds, methylene blue is not a natural substance. It's available as a supplement but should be used with caution and under medical supervision. If you're considering methylene blue, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe and appropriate for you. It can be a powerful tool but needs to be used correctly. So in summary, incorporating these 5 key compounds into your diet can help maintain high NAD levels, which is crucial for slowing down the aging process and promoting overall health. By adding a variety of herbs, colorful fruits and vegetables, and specific supplements like methylene blue, you can support your body's natural defenses against aging. Remember, it's all about making small, consistent changes to your diet and lifestyle. Start today, and you'll see the benefits over time. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Thanks for watching.